G'day guys. So I thought there was a lot of little things about the first car, but there's a lot more about this car. Okay, see the spring? See through those three holes, the grey? Okay. And there's two coils. The other model never had that. So that spring has got an extra coil on it. Okay. That's not my underbody paint protection, that's Subaru. You can see where they cut it short, right there. You can see these cars are handmade, okay? See that? That's how my first one was, and I just keep adding to it. Now, I believe this car must have fatter sway bars on it. There's no way they can be the same. I've not looked into it yet. All I know, what is not available is in Australia, the catback, not that I'd really buy it if it was crazy expensive, but the catback STi system I think is the US only. And there's so many little things I can talk about. So I've put my engine back on. I was looking for the TPMS receiver, if it's a separate module, which we wouldn't have here, but we've got the blank out switch, and there's a grey plug behind it with violet, orange and yellow that seems to be live. I don't know whether TPMS is fused or how it works. It should, I don't know if it's separate these days. I know with many cars it's part of the body control module. So I don't know, I'm still wishful that we can just turn it on in Australia. I had to reset my door locks to all open from there with the scanner. I couldn't do it with whatever I mentioned with the key the other day. It's very frustrating because overseas you can. So if you look in the manual, some in the center screen, some countries have the unlock all doors feature. We don't in Australia for whatever reason. The headlights. The headlights don't just follow the road. Like I was always thinking 15, 20 years back to the 7 Series BMW where it would follow the road. Later on, I think some cars use GPS to light the road. No. These are different. They're absolutely hyperactive. So they're like this. So when you're driving and you turn the wheel, the headlights go like, I don't know how long they're going to last or whatever, but they're working all the time, except at low speeds. I don't believe they work. So for those of you that missed it, I made a video before where I started the car and you can see the actual sequence of what it does. It'll give you an idea. So in the video for the press release for the car, I thought they photoshopped in movement. No, when the car starts, the headlights do a self-test. The high beams are abysmally useless compared to the halogen of the old one that would just flood the road. The high beams do not much. So as you can see, oh look, that's interesting. Here's another little quirk. I've just discovered a light my way home. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Look what I've just discovered. I've discovered a light my way home thing I never knew. So I hit the high beam and got out. Did I flick the lights on or what? Anyway, I'll keep talking as usual, and I think these should turn off. Maybe I really was careful with the scanner to not play with much in the integrated unit mode. There you go. So I haven't read the manual, but light my way home. There we go. You've got it. Now, can someone please tell me if the 2016 does that? Now for the self-test. I love how Subaru put 12,500 Ks up here for the first service. Now, in the interest of betting in engines, I haven't done it yet, but you're not meant to really put full synthetic oil in when you're betting an engine. It's better to put mineral in. And these cars, I'm not saying to redline it, but Just drive it. Okay, now put the headlights on auto. Now you have to start the car and you'll see the sequence there. Sorry, so headlights on. Did you see what they just did? They go like that. So when you're driving and you go like this, it's like a dragonfly. Absolutely crazy. I'm not a fan of this grey thing going on here. It really not. Again, a mismatch, total mismatch. But so see here, right, is where the Americans get the door lock setting. We don't get it. Defogger, 15 minutes. I mean, every Mazda's set to 15 minutes from 1989. Interior light. I set all the maintenance up. Display, here we go. Contrast, screen off, beep. Oh, where is it? Driving history. I can't even find it. Where? Oh, does the engine have to not be running? What's going on? Screen setting, there you go. Okay, bypass screen. See the eco reminder? Camera shift links, all the cameras I think are linked. There's nothing here, guys. And the triple meter. So it's average total. My fingers are about to drop off from holding this freaking phone. Accelerator. Boost. It's confusing. That's the triple meter. So hold on. What's this one? We can't change that. Can we? Anyway, speak to you later. That's that. I'll do the headlights again. See how far they went that way? That's the bit that's weird. They certainly work, but the high beams are just abysmal. Oh. They don't do anything. So that's what the BMWs would with the HIDs. Quite a complex headlight, I'll tell you that. I would not want to imagine the price for that headlight, but I'll find out and let you know. Cheers guys, bye.